Hey guys, just wanted to show you a little bit about this bento box prep, how we put stuff together, stuff I've put together for the past couple of years. But it's always good to refresh and kind of get some more ideas. So one of the things that I love is boiled eggs. Boil your egg, add some salt, even garlic salt, perfect. 2 large eggs is 15 grams of protein. Put this in the fridge for the next day. It's a good snack.
Hey Megan, I got a jet out of here. I am gonna put together a quick bento box if you don't mind.
Yes.
So, nothing special guys. I just go ahead and put some cherry tomatoes in here. I know, so I actually have guac would be okay, but no, I like ranch. So you gave me that idea, remember? So very high protein Greek yogurt, plain. Gonna mix a little bit of the ranch powder in there and mix it up. I'm gonna have a little bit of ranch dressing in here. So I've got my tomatoes and I've got the ranch dressing. And oh yes, have to have my protein. So this is very important. And you guys can either add this or we could do like a little charcuterie. So again, I'm heading to the airport, so I gotta get some stuff done here.
Well good, you can pack this with you for a snack.
Absolutely, awesome. Sorry I can't stay, this has been fun. I am actually gonna go get my dip and I will see you guys later. Listen to this lady, she knows what she's talking about, all right? I'll see you later.
See ya.
Bye. Fun preps.
So I have Italian-Irish jeans. I love olives. Good with the pepperoni. So you could do olives, pepperoni, and cheese. This stuff is great. I'm a good Gouda fan. Actually, I like feta. Feta's my favorite. But some cheese, some pepperoni. Oh my gosh, this smells amazing. You do need to watch out for this stuff though. Sometimes the ingredients aren't all that they say it is. Just make sure you're getting quality. Some pepperoni and my olives. Look at these jokers. They're huge. I think I could just eat all of this, all of it. I love my olives. They're great vitamin source, vitamin E, antioxidants, and they're filling, good source. The picky eaters, the kids, cherry tomatoes. Cherries, sorry, not cherry tomatoes. Cherries, as long as there's no peanut allergy. This is actually an almond. Put some almonds in here. 3 tablespoons. Maybe some grapes. Grapes are higher in sugar content, but when you're baby stepping this and you're learning what choices to make, grapes aren't horrible. Just be careful. Think fast. So there's lots of options for this. We actually give you a cheat sheet on snacks like rice cake, nut butter, bananas. A lot of it's measuring. Other options that I have, you could do pickles. Those are great. Then you could do a veggie. You could do carrots. You could do broccoli. I love guacamole, so avocado is a great source of protein. This would be perfect for the bento box. Veggies, you can even do a hummus. You could do a couple tablespoons of hummus or cottage cheese. You can follow along for more or comment. What's your favorite bento box?